Hello, dear students. I am Professor Poonam Patil. Welcome you all for today's lecture. As you saw in previous video, we have discussed the network topology and different types of network topologies. See, this is your second module's third video lecture. Today we shall discuss transmission media. Means media means what? How many types of transmission media? What is the use of that? Means how we can transfer message from one place to another place. Means how one person transfer the message to another person from one place to another place through transmission media. We'll see one by one. See here, transmission media. What you mean by transmission media? First we'll see. Transmission media is simply the means through which data is transferred from one place to another. Means how we can transfer the message or data from one place to another place. Means how one person send the message to another person from one place to another place. This is called as a transmission media. Through transmission media, we can transfer the message. Then transmission media is a pathway that carries the information from sender to receiver. Means transmission media is a pathway. Through that pathway, we can carry the information means from one place to another place. Means sender can send the information to another person, means receiver can receive that information. So carries the information from sender to receiver. This is known as the transmission media. This could be through wire, could be through wire. We can transfer the message from one place to another place. Means we can send the information to another person. Then using fiber optics cables, then vacuum tube, vacuums or coaxial cable. Through these media, we can transfer the message from one place to another place. We use different types of cables. Here we use different types of cables or waves. Means if you want to transfer message from one place to another place, so we should connect it using the different cables or waves. Means if you transfer the message through cable, means this is called as a wired transmission media, and through waves we can transfer message from one place to another place. This is called as a through waves we can transfer the message from one place to another place. So we use the different types of cables or waves to transmit data from one place to another place. Data is transmitted normally through electrical or electromagnetic signals. Means using electrical wires, using wires or using electromagnetic waves, we can transfer the message from one place to another place. Then transmission media is also called communication channel. Yes, this is we can call it as a communication channel because see a sender communicates with the receiver. Means one person communicate with another person from one place to another place. So this is called as a communication. Transmission media is a communication channel. Means one person communicate with the another person. Then types of transmission media. See here, as you see on screen, see here there are two types of transmission media. Transmission media is broadly classified into two groups. First one is wired or guided media or bound transmission media. First one is wired transmission media and second one is wireless transmission media. For wired transmission media, we can call it as a guided or bound transmission media, and wireless transmission media, we can call it as a unguided media or unbound transmission media. So there are different two types of transmission media, wired and wireless. Using wire, we can transfer the message from one place to another place. You without using wires, means wireless. We can transfer the message from one place to another place. See here, types of transmission media. Types of transmission media, there are two types, guided media and unguided media. wired and wireless. Then twisted pair cable. Then there are another subtypes of guided media are, see here there are three subtypes of guided media is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optic fiber cable. These are the wired transmission media. Means we can we are using this using wires, twisted pair cables, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. And unguided media or wireless transmission media, there are another three subtypes: radio waves, microwaves, and infrared rays. Using this, we can connect from one place to another place. Means we can connect another person. We'll see one by one. See here, wire transmission media. As you see on your screen, this is called as a wire transmission media. Means how we connect using the wire. Through wire, how we can transfer the message from one place to another place. Means we are connected using the wires. This is called as a wired transmission media. Then wire transmission media. Wired transmission media is also called as physical media or guided media. Means we are connected physically using wires. So we can call it as a physical media or guided media. In wired transmission media, one network is connected to another network using a set of wires. Means these two networks connected using the set of wires. Means through cables we can transfer the message from one place to another place. Means sender can send the message and receiver can receive the message through the cables. Means we are connected using the set of cables or set of wires. Then wired transmission media provided physically constrained signal propagation. Yes, uh, it provides the physically constrained signals between the sender and the receiver. Means sender can send the message, whatever message sender can send, that pass through using the cables, and receiver can receive the message from that cable. Means we are connected using the set of cables or set of wires. So it is a physically constrained signal. Means it provides the physical constrained signal propagation. Then it constraints. Wireless transmission media provide unconstrained signal propagation. Means see, if you are connected without wires, means wireless, so it provides the unconstrained signal propagation. See here, wire transmission media means what? How we are connected using the wires. See here, internet. If you want the internet, we are using the modem. Through modem, we can fetch the signal, and that's using that modem we are connected to computer using the wires like this. See, this is a computer 1, and these are computer 2 pointer to internet connection. So we are using the modem. Modem can fetch the signal through modem. We are connected using these cables here. Switch to hub. This is a central node. Means modem central node. Through these central nodes, we are these all computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, game console, and this is printers. These all are connected using the wires. So this is called as a wire transmission media. Means through wire we can transfer the signal or transfer the message. Means one device is connected to another device using wire. Means all devices are connected using the wires. So we can call it as a wire transmission media. If you see this diagram, uh, you will understand easily. Means how wire transmission means what? How all computers are connected using the all these devices are connected using the wires. This is called as a wire transmission media. Then types of wire transmission media. See here, wire transmission media are three types. There are three types of wire transmission media. Means there are another three subtypes of wire transmission media are: first one is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. See how we are connected using wires. So we are using the three types of wires. Using twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable, we are connected to one another through these wires. Means through these wires we can transfer message from one place to another place. See, then twisted pair cable. This is the first type of wire transmission media. So we'll see these three types in detail one by one in next video class.